What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Good morning from Jamaica. We're gonna start the day off with Origin Protocol. This is my 10x pick from the last video. Actually, I've been talking about Origin way back 6, 7, 8 months ago. It does NFTs with celebrities, really cool project, and has 10x capability and is starting to take off. So currently we're sitting at 118. We're up about 10% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of only 414 million, low cap gem. 24-hour volume, 78.58 million. Ladies and gentlemen, you know what to do. If you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. And you can grab one of their incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto. Spotify and Netflix Prime for free travel incentives, $25 in their native coin Crow, just for signing up through my referral. Quick drink of tea, guys. Hope you're well and hope the pets are healthy. And if you don't have any pets, I highly recommend one. All right, guys. So we've broken out of this symmetrical triangle, which is extremely bullish, guys. This is an absolutely massive pattern. And it's absolutely legendary that we've broken this trend line of resistance. Your breakout target is all the way up at 288. Now we have hit this resistance at the 0.5. I'm going to drop it in numerous times, guys, which is coming in at about $1.23. So we really need to break that resistance. However, we need Bitcoin to continue to pump past 58.5 because if we roll here, we create a double top. We're also having a little bit of a bearish divergence on the 4 hour. If we roll over, it's going to pull OGN down. Unfortunately, we may see some consolidation, which would allow OGN to continue if Bitcoin dominance drops here. But if Bitcoin rolls, then it will pull OGN down here, and we'll just hit resistance once again at 123. We're up 11% right now. So if we're able to break 123, your next level of resistance for OGN is the golden ratio, coming in at about $1.55, and then you have your technical target. And we have our bull run targets up at the 1.618 for OGN, coming in at about $11, and maybe a blow off top if we're lucky, guys, all the way up to the 2 extension at $24. So just up to the 1.618 from the current price for OGN is a juicy 879% gain. In my last video, it was about 1,000% gain. So OGN has been moving nicely here. And if we were to go up to the 2 extension, you're basically looking at a 20x all the way up to $24 if we were to have a blow off top, which is always a possibility, guys. We watched Theta go from about $2 to $20 in the spring. So you never know what will happen here for OGN. That's basically it, guys. Just a quick little update just to give you your targets here, and then watch $1.23. If we do hit it as resistance, we've been creating this strong level of support down at about 97 cents, and we're also just having the bullish cross here on the daily. You can see we just printed the bullish cross, which is an extremely bullish sign. I said bullish a few too many times there. The last time we had the bullish cross, besides our little pump here, was at the beginning of our bull run, and from the point of the bullish cross, we saw some juicy gains for OGN, 2,000%, guys. So a 20x the last time we had the bullish cross on the daily. So I've been absolutely loading the bags with OGN. I'll throw my trade up on the screen. I'm making some juicy profits. All right, guys. Hey, guys, if you're new to the Discord, I highly recommend joining. We have over 1,000 members. We're talking all things crypto. We're posting chart patterns. We're posting profits. You can see here I posted my link profits. I think I posted my OGN as well. Oh, there's my OGN. So if you want to stay ahead of the game as a trader, as an investor, it's the price of a coffee. You really can't beat it, guys. Smash that like button. You can follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.